Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, tap on this gear next to Password Manager. Click on the switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords option if it's not already on. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one you need. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!